family enjoy stir fry, so I thought I'd share a little love and attempt making one. I had some stewing beef left over from the last meal that I had made, and I sliced the beef very, very thin because I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't come out tough. Stewing beef will do that. So I sliced it very thin, and then I put it into a bowl where I decided to marinate it in some honey garlic sauce that I had. This is just a Walmart brand and a nice easy thing to put in. So I added enough to make sure that all the beef would be covered and would be able to marinate in it and soak it in. And then I put that in the fridge for about 2 hours. I had a green bell pepper, which I washed and sliced into nice sized pieces. And I also had some of my onion left over from the meal that I had done before. So I decided that I would cut some of that up into pieces that would be a similar size as the green pepper and as the beef, so that everything looks nice in its presentation. So after 2 hours, I got my stewing beef out of the fridge, and I decided that I'll keep the oil close by, but I wasn't sure if I would need any. And as it turned out, there was so much delicious sauce in the stewing beef that I did not need to add any extra oil. I made sure to brown the beef in my fry pan over about a medium heat, making sure that I cooked all the way through before I added my vegetables. When the beef was cooked, I pushed it all kind of to the side. Then I added in my green peppers. I love the color of this. And once they had cooked for a little bit, I then added the onion. I just wanted to fry them up enough to keep them crunchy, not lose their nutrients, but of course make sure everything was cooked. Put the lid on and cooked it on a medium-low heat for another 10-15 minutes. And I would check on it every once in a while to make sure that it was cooking well through and not sticking. And oh my goodness, that smelled so good. And that is my recipe for a beef stir fry with love. Enjoy!